Good evening, students. As usual, welcome to my English channel, The Unforced English 721. Today is a rainy day, and I think it's the high time to make a video. As I promised you that I will make next video, that one will be transitive and intransitive verb. But one of my students have exam, so I need to make the video of adverbs. And the next one, I promise you, I will do transitive and intransitive, obviously. So let's get started. Today's topic is adverbs. What is adverbs? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So, an adverb is a word that not only describes a verb but also describes an adjective and another adverb. 2. So, adverb often tell when, where, why, or under what conditions something happens. Let's see some examples. Gayatri left early. Here, actually I didn't write the examples, but I will describe slowly, then you can grab the lines. Gayatri left early. Here, early is a adverb. It describes the verb left. I will meet you tomorrow. So here, meet is the verb and tomorrow is adverb. That tomorrow word describe the verb meet. Next one, let's see. Grandpa snored loudly. Here snored is a verb and loudly is a adverb, as because that verb snored are described by loudly word, that is adverb. So we can see now the kinds of adverb. There are 5 kinds of adverb. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and lastly adverbs of degree. So we have to describe one by one. First one is adverbs of manner. What is adverb of manner? An adverb that tells us the manner in which an action takes place is called an adverb of manner. Actually, this adverb only tells us the manner in which the action takes place. See the example. They dress elegantly. Here, they dress how? That is elegantly. So, elegantly, this word is adverbs of manner. So, adverbs of manner tells us how you do an action. See the next example. Some elderly people drive slowly. So, how the elderly people drive? They drive slowly. So, the answer is slowly. When you ask question how, then you get the answer. That is the adverb of manner. Let's see another examples. Which one I didn't write there. The princess and the prince lived happily. So, how the princess and prince lived? They lived happily. So, happily is adverb of manner. Next one. These students listened to their teacher carefully. Here, carefully is the adverb of manner because it describes the verb listened. Let's see the next one. I hope you understand that what is adverb of manner. Next one is adverb of time. An adverb that describes when the action of a verb is carried out. That is called adverb of time. Okay. So, an adverb that tells us the time at which an action takes place. That is adverb of time. See the example. First we have to know that it tells us when an action happens. So adverb of manner tells us how the action happens, and adverbs of time tells us when the action happens. Let's see the examples. I will call you later. Here later is adverbs of time because it indicates the time of calling. So it describes the verb call and it tells the time when the action happens, when I will call you. So this latter word is adverb of time. Next one, I have to leave now. Here leave is verb and the word now describes the leave verb. When I have to leave? Now. So when the answer we get after asking the question when, that is the adverb of time. Let's see a few examples more. He came yesterday. Here came is a verb and yesterday is adverb. Which type of adverb? That is adverbs of time. Why? Because it tells us, it gives us the answer of when. When he came yesterday. Next one, call him now. Here call is the verb and when call him now. So now is adverb of time. Next one, that is adverb of degree. Okay. So no, it's adverb of place because the third one is adverb of place. We have to discuss adverb of degree lastly. First one is adverb of place. After adverb of manner and adverbs of time, now it's time to discuss about adverb of place. I have to repeat that one, that adverb of manner tells us how you do an action, and adverbs of time tells us when an action happens. Now it's time to tell adverbs of place, where the action happens. Let's see the definition. It indicates where an action occurs. The most common adverbs of place are here and there. Okay, so adverb of place tells us where an action occurs. See the examples. We are waiting outside. Here waiting is a verb and describe the waiting word by outside. Where we are waiting? We are waiting outside. So when we get the answer of where, that will be adverb of place. Let's see the next example. Let's sit inside. Where sit? Where That one is inside. So where answer is given by the word inside. So it's a adverb of place. And let's see some examples. Another, they live somewhere in Mayur Bihar. Here live is a verb and somewhere word give the answer of where they live somewhere. So somewhere is the adverb of place. Next one is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is an adverb that tells us how often an action occurs. That is adverb of frequency. So we have to repeat from the first. Adverb of manner tells us how you do an action. Adverb of time tells us when we do the action. And adverb of place tells us where an action occurs. Now the fourth one, that is that how often the action occurs. Let's see the examples. I seldom go to the library. Here seldom is adverb of frequency. How often? I seldom go. How often I go to the library? I seldom go to the library. So I rarely go to the library. That is adverb of frequency. It indicates, means adverb of frequency indicates always, constantly, continually, frequently, generally, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, and never, and so on. So adverb of frequency tells us how often an action occurs. See another example. I meet her daily. So how often I meet her? I meet her daily. He always helps me. How often he helps me? He always helps me. So you have to remember that adverbs of frequency tells us how often an action occurs. So let's see the next example. Next types of adverb, that is adverbs of degree. What is adverbs of degree? An adverb that describes the intensity of an action. That is adverbs of degree. It tells us the event to which something happened. It tells us the extent to which something happened. So it tells us adverb of degree describe the intensity, okay? Intensity of an action. Remember the adverb which tells us the intensity of an action, that is called adverb of degree. Suppose her work is almost over. So what is the intensity of her work? Almost. How much she finished? Almost. So it tells us the intensity of the verb, that is almost. So almost is the adverbs of degree. Jaya is very beautiful. So how much Jaya is beautiful? That is very beautiful. So it tells us the intensity of an action. So it is very. So Jaya is very beautiful. Very is the adverb of degree. He drove quite dangerously. How he drove? How much? Or how long? Or what extent? That is its intensity. How he drove? He drove quite dangerously. So quite is the adverb of degree. Then so we have discussed 5 adverbs, and lastly that is degree, which describes the intensity of the verb, that is adverbs of degree. So let's see the exercise. I went to the market in the morning. See here time is given that when I went to the market. So we have discussed that when the verb is the verb occurs when the answer is giving when the action happens, that answer that will be adverb of time. So when I went to the market, that is adverb of time, that is morning. The dog sat lazily in the shade of the tree. Here the dog sat is the verb, and how the dog sat lazily. So we have discussed also when we get the answer how, then that will be the adverb of manner. So lazily is the adverb of manner. How did the dog sat? It sat lazily. So the third one is I often visit my grandparents. So how much or how frequently I visit my grandparents? That is often. I often. So that one is frequency, adverb of frequency. So it will be the adverb of frequency, because adverb frequency tells us how often an action occurs. Next one is they serve hot pancakes there. So here there is adverb of place, and where they serve hot pancakes? There. So it will be the adverb of place, as because adverb of place tells us the place in which an action takes place. The last one is it is extremely hot today. So here extremely word is adverb of degree, as because adverb of degree describes the intensity of an action. So it is adverb of degree. So we have discussed adverbs. I hope students that whenever we go through the chapters, you understand all. If you have any confusion, then write in the comment box, and we will discuss more. And if this video is helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you are new here. So it's already 11:15, and so I have to tell you good night for today, and we'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.